So while we are discussing p block elements and halogens being a part of the p block, we will be discussing one of the compounds of chlorine with hydrogen known as hydrochloric acid. In 1648, Glauber prepared this acid, when he heated common salt with concentrated sulfuric acid, and HCl is what he got as a result. About 150 years later, in 1810, Davy actually showed that the compound that Glauber got was nothing but a compound of hydrogen and chlorine, and is named as hydrochloric acid. So, on the same lines as Glauber did it, HCl is still prepared by reacting common salt, that is NaCl, with sulfuric acid at a temperature of 420 Kelvin, right, and sodium hydrosulfate along with hydrochloric acid is what we get as a product, and this NaHSO4 when further reacts with NaCl or common salt at even higher temperature of 823 Kelvin, we get more hydrochloric acid. This is the laboratory preparation of HCl. So the name itself suggests HCl is an acid, right? It is a colorless and pungent smelling gas. At 189 Kelvin it gets converted into a colorless liquid, and at a freezing point of 159 Kelvin it gets converted into white crystalline solid. Since it is an acid, it readily dissolves in water, right, forming the hydronium and chlorine ions. It also reacts with ammonia, giving ammonium chloride. When ammonia and the hydrochloric acid are reacted, white fumes are formed, which is a indication of formation of ammonium chloride. Aqua regia is a compound that hydrochloric acid forms reacting with nitric acid. So this is how the reaction looks like. The nitrate ions from nitric acid, hydrogen and chlorine ions from HCl. This aqua regia thus formed is used for refining noble metals and like gold and platinum. The dissolving process leads to refining of those metals. This is how aqua regia looks like. It is reddish orange in color. So to form this, 3 parts of concentrated HCl and 1 part of nitric acid is mixed together. Again, as the name suggests, and we have seen that hydrochloric acid is an acid, right, and thus it decomposes the salts of weaker acids. So when sodium carbonates act with hydrochloric acid, common salt, water and carbon dioxide is what we get as a result. There are lots of uses of hydrochloric acid. It's being used in manufacture of chlorine, extracting glue from the bones. The acidic properties help in extracting glue from the bones. It is used as a laboratory reagent, which means as an intermediate reagent for preparing many compounds in the medicine industry, and so on. So let us start with the question now. What proportion of ingredients is required to prepare aqua regia? As we just discussed, when 3 parts of concentrated HCl and 1 part of concentrated HNO3 are mixed, aqua regia is formed, which is used for dissolving noble metals.